Dodging Personal Finance Pitfalls in 2024. Welcome to our guide on navigating the financial landscape of 2024. Let's dive into the common pitfalls to avoid. Firstly, underestimating the power of an emergency fund can leave you vulnerable. Start building yours now to avoid future stress. Ignoring the impact of inflation can erode your savings. Invest wisely to ensure your money grows and outpaces inflation. Overusing credit cards without a plan to pay off the balance can lead to a debt spiral. Practice responsible credit habits. Neglecting retirement savings until it's too late can jeopardize your future comfort. Begin contributing to your retirement today. Not shopping around for better insurance rates annually can cost you. Take time to compare and potentially save hundreds. Failing to set financial goals or review them regularly can derail your progress. Create clear, achievable goals for 2024. Lastly, overlooking the need for a diversified investment portfolio can be a risk. Diversify to protect and grow your assets.